All right, here we have this hideous mound of rocks and grass.
I am out here. Got my gloves. We got this mound. It's hideous, ugly. Got my tools, my weed killer, grass and weed killer, and then I also got my plastic, which we are going to lay down. And yeah, prepare to be impressed. This is going to be gone. Look at my helper down there working hard. That's what we do. I told her, no slacking. So I went ahead and pulled the weeds, sprayed the weed killer, and then covered it with plastic. Look at this one drip of sweat I have coming down. And it's look at, I'm pouring sweat and I have this on and it's soaked. Ew! Okay, this is how far I've gotten. This is back-breaking work. And I'm getting there. It's looking better. I am going to have to clean up the rocks and around and everything, but it's getting there. It's getting there. It's gonna look so good when it's done. After, I might need one more bag of that mulch. But I got about 2 bags of weeds I pulled. But yeah, I definitely think it looks better. I did this in 1 hour and 47 minutes. So yeah, pretty quick actually. Pretty good for how fast I did it. Just need to mow over here probably tomorrow. Serotonin, Jentel said she loved walking out to my new decor in the yard. That's good. I'm glad that you like it.
So the mulch was like less than $4 a bag. I may need to get one more bag, but oh my God, look at the difference.